stock exhaust on a 2006 Yamaha R6. They're doing a install of a Devil slip-on. So I'm going to do a before and after. Here's the before.